Let's do a quick scraper sharpening tutorial. So here we go. I've been using this for a while. It's a little bit blunt. You know, I've still got a burr here, but I need to start again. It is absolutely of paramount importance to have a nice square edge. And you can see how shiny that edge is there. You need to achieve the same level of finish across the board. This has currently got old 320 grit paper on it. Now, if I want to go for a perfectly sharpened, fine finishing scraper, I would then move on to, after this stage, a Waterstone, a nice flat Waterstone. But you can see how I'm getting a good finish there. And that needs to be the whole surface, right up to the edge. So hard to film. Other side. Once you're happy with both sides, then it's a case of holding it nice and flat, nice and square, and yeah. This is the important part, not the burnishing. It's looking pretty good. So even from there, I should be able to use it as a scraper. See? Now the next stage is to turn a burr. Option number one is put it off the edge of a workbench, hold your burnisher like this, and go along. But before you do that, you need to work harden the scraper. I'm putting my burnisher, which is a polished, hardened steel rod, flat on the scraper, pushed down, bum, bum, bum. And essentially I'm hardening the steel a little bit and also drawing it out like so. And the fact that I can hear a little bit of scraping means that this needs to be polished a bit. At a very slight angle. And I'm turning a burr over. Okay, the other option, so I've done a burr on that side. The other option is in a vise. This is a relatively pointy chunk of steel that is, if you slip, it will hurt, trust me. And remember, I'm working on this side here. And that there is how you sharpen a scraper by hand. There are tools, there are jigs, there are burnishing things that set the angle, etc. And those are available, but in reality, I can take a slightly blunt scraper and resharpen it to serviceable within a minute or two, when I'm not talking about it, of course.